Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a really interesting Honda Little Cub 50. It's a 4-speed electric start model as well, so that makes it a bit more rare, but essentially these are Honda C50s with 14-inch alloys, front and rear, and that makes the bike a bit shorter. As well as that, you get a smaller rear rack, but also the benefit is you get they come in a larger range of kind of more colorful, more playful colors. That's why you kind of get this metallic green and popping white color scheme off it. You also get a more playful seat as well. This is kind of a brown two-tone seat, which is original from Honda, and this bike has only done 7,000 kilometers from new. It's a 2010 model, which means it's also a fuel injected bike, and that's denoted by the black engine, which we'll see later on in the video. Front tire is brand new, front mudguard is in really good condition, metallic paint really coming through there, the front rack in good condition, the badging at the front in really nice condition, up over the top light indicators, and the actual bars itself really good. Only 7,000 kilometers. You can see the 4-speed there, and engine light, which also denotes it's a fuel injected model. Here's that black engine. It's looking nice condition. A bit of dust on it just from the sitting in the warehouse or in the lockup there, which is just inevitable. Underneath though, we're looking really clean. And the back, we have the same colored rack. The usual Honda Cubs, they come as chrome, which I can show you an example here like that. That's a kind of a normal rack that would come on C50, and on a Little Cub you get a smaller color matched rear rack to blend in with the bike. 2010 plate, and rear tire brand new as well. The exhaust is in okay condition too, and there's that engine up over all here, really nice condition overall. Bike is in superb condition, and I can't wait to go out and have a little go on it, which we'll transition to now. Okay, we're on to Honda Little Cub, the last of our Honda Little Cubs. I'm gonna get out this here. Fuel injected model, so went first kick. 4-speed model as well. It's electric start as well. I could have done electric start. And into second gear. So main thing you'll notice is you sit a bit closer to the ground on these Little Cubs than you would on the 17-inch wheel variants. But overall, except for that, they're pretty similar. And here we go. Up to speed, riding super nice. Most of the differences on these is just that they're a bit smoother than the carbureted models, and they might get a slightly bit better MPGs out of these as well. But other than that, pretty much the same. Bit less maintenance as well if you're just not into doing any sort of maintenance at all. Because you don't have to do any carb cleans or anything like that. But the only thing is, if the fuel injection system goes wrong, it's a bit more expensive than doing a carb clean. So it's pros and cons. It's up to you to decide. For me, it wouldn't really make any odds which system I went to, whether it be carbureted or fuel injection. But this thing's riding absolutely lovely. Horn working well. Getting up to speed super nicely. 4 speeds. Getting well up to, off the Richter scale here, probably 70 kph. Top speed. And handling super well as well. So that's the kind of fun little review on this thing. Up to speed, top speed, acceleration, sound, going through all the gears, running nicely, seeing all the electrics. You've seen the full visual as well, all the scrapes and bumps. I mean, there's absolutely no complaints on this bike, and I'm sure this will go pretty quickly. So we'll just turn up here onto the left hand side and do the usual where we just go around the bike. We go around the bike and we'll just give it a little last inspection. And we just usually go through the electrics here. So front left indicator working well there, rear left also working well, front right working well, rear right working, brake light at the rear working, and we have front headlamp working as well. So that's all the electrics, horn, everything like that, running really smoothly. Quite a quick bike as well, considering what it is, 4-speed little Honda Little Cub. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram. And finally, our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.